Okay, so let's go ahead and design the display. So here, let's create a new div. And we'll give this a class name of card as well as card content. Then we will create another div and we give this a class name of ImageTshirt, and we want to put this in the center of the card, so we'll give it the Bootstrap class name of text center. Then we'll create the image, and here we are going to give a class name of IMG responsive, and this will make the image responsive to all these devices. And the source will give it this one. We'll just copy here. I will be giving this link in the description below. Okay, and the image is going to be a black color, and we also want to give it an all of IMG t-shirt. So we'll save this and let's go ahead and look at in our browser. Okay, so as you can see, there is our black t-shirt. Now let's go ahead and create another div, and let's give this a class name of memeText. Okay, and also text center to center everything in the div. So here we need a p tag, but first we'll give it a div of upper text, and then let's create the p tag, and we'll name this one, or we'll give it the text of upper text to distinguish it from the lower text. So next is the IMG, or the image. We don't need here a class name of IMG responsive, but only the source. So I will be giving also the link from the description below. So this is just an illustration so that it will show in the browser or in the image that this is where we are going to download a meme image. We also want to give it an alt of mem text. This is very important because if we don't give it, it will show us an error. And the last thing is the lower text. So we'll create a div and we'll give this a class name of lower text. Okay, then we put here a p tag, then we write lower text. Okay, let's save our work and let's check it in our browser. So there you go. There is the upper text, the image box, and the lower text. So what we are going to do next is to put this on the center of the t-shirt. So all we need to go is we go to this display CSS, okay, or we create another file here and we name this one display.css. Okay, let's style the image, t-shirt image. So the class name is IMG t-shirt, and we'll position this relative. Next is the mem text, and we are going to position this absolute because we wanted to put it on the center of the image t-shirt. So the top will be 190 pixel and the left will be 210 pixel. Okay, let's save that. Okay, next is to import the display.css file into the display component. So we type in import /display.css. Oops, there's an error. Okay, I think this one should be dot slash. Save it again. Okay, there you go. The text image box is already in the center of the t-shirt. Now what we need to do is to give it some styling on the p tag or in the image. So we write in memeTextImage and we'll give it a max width of 300 pixel and a border of white color solid and 6 pixel. Okay, let's style the p tag. So we'll write in here memetext p and then curly braces. Okay, we'll give it a font family of impact, charcoal, and sans serif. Okay, we'll give it a color of white. For the lower text, we want to remove the padding or the margin top. So we'll give this one margin top of just 10 pixel. Okay, that's it. Let's save it. And let's go to our browser and let's check it. And there you go. It's working fine. Okay. So now that we have created the display component, and here you go, you can see here, let's move on to creating or designing our settings. So let's go ahead to our VS Code. And here let's change this one. Let's create a div and let's give it a name of card and also a background of light. And let's give it also a container so that there will be a padding in both sides. Okay, so next thing to do is let's create an h3 tag, and this is and let's give this a class name of text center. And let's write in settings. Then let's also create the h4 tag for the t-shirt color. So let's put it here, change t-shirt color. Okay, then we'll create a container or div for the images. Okay, let's give this a class name of IMG t-shirt. I mean t-shirt color. Okay, I think this is better to identify this kind of div, and in here let's create 4 different images. So let's write in IMG, and the source, let's take it in our display component later on. Okay, don't forget to write the alt, and let's give it a white t-shirt. Okay, so let's create 3 more times for this IMG. So let's just copy this one. Okay, one more. Okay, so let's go ahead and change this to black, and this one to gray. This will be blue, and of course this will be red. So there are 5 different color for our t-shirt. So let's go to display, and let's grab this link. You can copy from the description below. Let's grab this one, and then let's go back to settings component, and let's create a cons here, and let's give this a name of URL IMG base. Okay, this is the base of the link, so that we don't need to write this very long link in our source. Okay, there you go. Let's put a semicolon here. Okay, let's delete this one. Then let's go to the source, and let's create a backticks here. Okay, let's put in the curly braces. Okay, and then let's reference the URL IMG base that we just created. Okay, then we put here white.png. There you go. Okay, let's copy this one, and let's put it in the other IMG sources. So let's just change this one to black. This will be gray, of course, and also this will be blue, and the last one would be red. Okay, let's save that, and let's check it in our browser. So there you go, you can see here we have the different colors, but we are going to put this t-shirt vertically along this area. Okay, so what are we going to do? Let's go to display.css, and let's give a style of this t-shirt color here, class name. So we write here t-shirt dash color, and let's write it display flex. So we're going to use the flexbox grid here. So let's give it a flex direction of row, and also the flex wrap, and this will be wrap. Okay, we also give it a justify dash content, and this will be space dash between. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, we'll just write the images. Okay, let's check, refresh. Oops, there's something wrong again. So let's check a little bit. Maybe we have right or wrong class name. Okay, so we forgot this one. We just style the IMG. So let's write t-shirt color IMG, and we give it a width of 150% and also a height of the same 15%. Let's save it. Now let's go to browser, and there you go. We have here different colors of our t-shirt. So let's close that. Then we go to settings and we continue writing in some component here. So let's give it a space here, HR, and then let's create an h4 tag, and this will be write text. Okay, this is for the two inputs. So we're going to create here inputs, and this will have a type of text with a class name of form control to give it a little bit of styling. This is from the Bootstrap CSS framework, and this will be small. Okay, small input, and we give it a margin bottom of 2. The placeholder will be upper text. Okay. Okay. So let's copy this one because there are two. So let's paste it, and we just change this to lower text. Save it. Okay, remove the margin bottom. Okay, refresh, and there you go. Okay, we have here upper text and lower text input. So the next thing is for the upload image. So we'll create here another h4, and this will be upload image, and then this will be an input. Okay, but let's create a div with a class name of form group, and here let's put an input, and the type is going to be file. Okay, because we are going to upload here, this input is going to accept file from our folder, as well as a class name of, okay, this one will be form control. Okay, let's save it, check, there you go, we have upload image and choose file. Next thing is for the changing of the text size. So here let's give it a h4 tag of text size. This is going to be an input as well, but for the type, this is going to be range. Okay, we give it a minimum of 0 and a max of 100. Okay, let's save and check. Okay, by the way, let's just create the other one for the text size or the text color. And here let's create a select tag with a class name of form control. So let's make this one smaller, so we'll write form control SM and a margin bottom of 2. And here we write an option. So there are 4 different colors. So you write here white, just copy and then paste 3 more times. Okay, so there will be a white color, a black color. Okay, this will be red, and this will be a blue color. So I think that is done. So let's create the save button, so that when you're done with setting your shirt design, you just save it. So we'll create a button with a class name of btn primary, and also btn-sm, and as well as a bottom margin of 2. So this will be save. Okay, save it and check it in our browser. So there you go. The setting is complete. Okay, you can drag down, you can upload file here and then save. In the next video, we are going to set up our firebase so that we can implement the upload image, so that when we want to upload an meme image or upload an image for our meme, we can just click on the upload button and then it automatically save it in our firebase storage, and then we'll pull the URL and then use it to display the image in our memeImg image. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.